Hi guys, this is Sadaf Wassan. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe now and hit the bell icon button for the future notification. I'm going to teach you lots of different techniques. We'll talk about the hacks. Today I have created this Eid inspired look. Let me know what you think about this makeover. Let's start the makeover. I'm going to use this Kevin Con concealer for my lid. Next up, I'm going to use this fluffy brush from Sigma E25, and this is the color which I'm going to use. I'm going to use this one for the transition. I'm going to use this black color. I'm going to darken up my outer corner of my eye. Try to blend this very well. Now I'm going to take this concealer brush. This is the flat concealer brush from MAC. So I'm trying to remove the excess off from the lid and trying to create a soft cut crease. I'm going to use this shadow. I'm going to apply all over my lid. I'm going to create this base for my shimmer. This look is all about glam, soft glam look. This is Stila Rose Gold Liquid Eyeshadow. I'm starting off with the inner tear duct and then moving towards the crease and going to fill my whole lid with this shimmer. I'm taking this angle brush for my liner, and this is the Gel in Glot liner. I'm going to create a flick. Outer corner of my eye. I'm going to pop these lashes on off camera. These are my own lashes. I'm going to launch these lashes very soon. My skin is super dry, so I always use this Smashbox primer. It always smoothens my skin and get my skin ready for my foundation application. So I tend to use stick foundations because my skin is really dry. So whenever I apply any foundation, I always try to use stick foundations. I'm going to use this Stamford foundation. This is really expensive, but it's worth to buy for the dry skin. I love this foundation. It gives really dewy, really flawless skin. It makes my skin so flawless. It gives a dewy effect as well. So this foundation is so creamy, medium to heavy coverage. It is long lasting foundation, but thing is it is really expensive. If you're not on budget, you can buy this foundation. I'm not using any concealer, but if I would use any concealer, then I would use this Kevin Con concealer, but I've decided not to use it. As you guys know, my skin is super dry, so I've decided not to use any powder. I'm going to spray all over my face to fix my foundation. And I have decided not to use any concealer or any contouring. I'm going to keep this foundation natural. I have decided to use this NARS blusher from NARS, and the color is Orgasm. As you know, this foundation is really dewy, so I'm not using any highlighter. It gives really flawless result. I'm loving the way it looks. I'm going to apply a little bit blusher on the tip of my nose, little bit blusher here. I'm going to apply blusher on the apple of my cheeks, and how flawless and dewy my foundation looks. So I'm going to use this liquid lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. and this is the final look. Please let me know what do you think of this makeover. Your comments means me a lot.